Hello everybody. Today we're going to the ocean. A little commotion in the ocean. I don't know how much I'll film today because I like to be swimming in the ocean when we go. But here's my fit check. Got my swimsuit, my shorts, and some slides, and then just a cover tank top, which is all loose. But yeah, we're going to the ocean, Cocoa Beach. Let's see where Laurel is. Laurel! Here's Laurel.
I'm wearing a swimsuit.
Show her the swimsuit. Give it a little spin. Ooh. Ooh, hottie.
I know.
And there's her shorts, there's her shoes, there's her face. So like I said, going to Cocoa Beach. Are you gonna go swim in the ocean? I'm gonna boogie board and try and catch a wave. Our view is the bus stop and trees. The beauty of Animal Kingdom. Off to the beach. Got my blanket. It used to get really cold up to the beach. Then Ronnie knew from Carly. And popcorn. We're at the beach. You're exposing me. I can't really see. Super cute. We got a really close parking spot. So here's our car. And there's the beach. Yes.
Could it be? Starting to fall. Whoa. Blinking in the courtroom. Lately all I seem to do is disappoint you. I got blood stains in the cheap suit, but I think that I'm alright. Could you tell me that it's okay if I'm not okay?
Leaving the beach. Laurel, where are you? Are you naked? Oh, my eyes. My eyes are green.
They look bloated.
Leaving the beach. God. Come on, Jeff. We got sushi. Laurel, what'd you get? Popcorn? Sushi. Laurel got sushi.
That's what I said. Remember when Melvin
Got
left
salads,
the
and watermelon and soda. I can't see. You can just see Laurel.
I got 4.
We're leaving our hotel now. My nose is red.
A little bit. Everybody's is. My whole face is red.
We're going to the Riviera. Laurel. Laurel's wearing her new headband. My back is burnt. Oh, I'm wearing a bracelet Laurel made me. And look at this. Look at this ring. Oh my god. Can you see? Super cute. So now we're going resort hopping. I think we're going to the Riviera. What are you eating? Oh yeah.
Feeling low. I've been feeling low. You ask me if it's so true. Probably can call up all our best friends, have a party.
just got a tour of the Riviera for DVC, and it was so cool. I didn't film because I didn't know if we could film or not, and now we're at the Riviera coffee shop, and I'm getting a toasted almond glacé or something. I don't even know how it's said, so I'll show you. Yeah, I don't know how to say that, so that's what I got. So hopefully it's good. Okay, so I'm gonna try this now. It tastes like marshmallows with some almonds, which obviously that's what it said it would taste like, but it's super good. I'll see what my mom thinks of it. Hopefully I don't fall down the stairs. I want to try it. Just wait. Here, try it.
I'm kind of sick. You're not sick. Oh, that's weird.
I want to try it.
What is that?
Delicious. Got our food. I got a bacon cheeseburger with, I don't remember what these are. They're like cheddar garlic or cheesy garlic fries. Laurel got shrimp and fries and fruit.
Oh, she'll need a fork.
My lens didn't open up. Look at. So we came to Art of Animation after getting on the Skyliner, and look, Rush. Look at that.
Here we are.
We're just exploring a little bit because we haven't been here at all. I don't think. Look how burnt I am though. Wonder if I can. You see, there's my swimsuit strap. I don't know if you can see on the side, but yeah, I'm very burnt. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. And like, look at this pool. This pool is huge. So we came into the Art of Animation. Oh, what's this called? Store?
Ink and paint.
Ink and paint. Look at how pretty. Very, very cute. Look at a little lounge fly. Is this cool, Laurel? We are back at our hotel. We just rode the bus. Today's a pretty easy night. I'm gonna take a shower. When I get back, we might watch a movie. Not sure yet though. So I'm very burnt. Look at my face. Hello, everyone. So it is nighttime. I'm going to go to bed. Today we just went to the beach. You already saw that. But tomorrow we're going to Magic Kingdom. I don't know if we're going anywhere else. I can't tell. I don't remember. But I'm super burnt. I wonder if I can turn my flashlight on. You can see it. Not really. But like, my shoulders are super burned. You might be able to see it tomorrow. But like, there's my tan line. If that gives you a better idea how burnt I am. This is how white I used to be. You can kind of see it. But yeah, so when this does not burn anymore, I'll have a really nice tan and definitely some peeling. So, which is so weird, but this is so weird because I wore sunscreen. Like I wore so much sunscreen and I'm still so burnt. But I was out in the water for like 2.5 hours, so it's probably why. So yeah, I'm going to go to bed now, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm not doing that. Okay. Tell you guys, see you guys. Oh my gosh. See you guys tomorrow.